we call how to create a vector object. Vector with default size and fixed size with some size 15. After 15, what will happen? Next object, it creates some object, right? Big object, vector object is be created. Okay, vector with no size, right? That is a global array we have given. After 15, for example, if I insert a 16th element, if I insert 16th element, it creates a large vector object. We know that, but I don't want a large vector object. For example, 5 comma 3. What is 5 comma 3? We inserted 5 objects. Okay, we added 5 objects. If I add 6th object only with the 3 size, it increased 3 size, guys. Now 8 size it creates. Okay, you understood? But what about this? It creates large object. This also creates a large object. We have different. How to add the elements? We dot add. We can add like this. Objects we can create specified position. We can remove the objects also. We can remove all also. Retrieving also is possible. Size also we can write. Capacity. That elements also we can check it. Okay, these are the methods we have. Yeah, I want to take vector class C. Now I want to check it. Class vector demo. Public static void main. String aux. Create vector demo, guys. Vector v equals to. For example, I will take 3 comma 5. What is 3 comma 5? Or 3 comma 2, for example, or 3 comma 5. Okay, no problem. 3 comma 3 5. Now I want to check the capacity. System.out.println. What is the capacity of this object? How to call that method? V dot capacity method you have. Capacity. Okay, what is the size we have? We have size, right? How to call that size method also? I am calling the size method also. Call the size method also. Now I am calling size also. Call the size. Is there any elements? Now I want to call the display the elements. We also, right? Elements I am going to print. Yeah. Import java.util.star. One check it. Vector demo dot java, right? I want to create a vector demo object. Java, right? Java C. Compile that class name. Vector demo. Java class name. Vector. Now what is size? Capacity is 3. Size 0. Elements are not there. I want to create 3 elements, right? I want to insert. How to add? V dot add of new integer of objects only we can add. Objects of 10, right? New integer of 20, new integer of 30, right? Now 3 objects we created, guys. Now see what is the capacity and what is size. The capacity 3, size is 3. Okay. For example, now I want to add 4th element here. V dot add. Now new, what is new size, guys? New integer of, see this, 40. Now I want to see what is new size, new capacity. Now I want to only print new capacity. See, this is what new capacity, and the size also I want to print size also, and elements also I want to print. This is new capacity, guys. That is the old capacity, right? We check it. One check if I create a 4th element, for example, 1023. Okay, new capacity is 8 because what is size extended? 5 I have given 3 comma 5. If I give 3 comma 5, 5 will be increased. Now new size is 8. Size is new capacity is 8. Size is 4 elements. For example, if I add 8 elements, for example, 9th element if I add, guys, again 5 will extend, right? That is 5 will add 5 capacity. That is an object will be created. New object will be created. Like that, we can call these methods, guys. See, we can v dot object which location you want to add. That is a location. Also we can give that index position. We can remove the object name we can give. If I give that object will be deleted. We can remove the all elements. What is a method name? V dot clear. V dot clear is there, that will delete it one by one element. If you want get of 1, get of 0, get of 1, get of 2, right, that elements will get size already, capacity also, index of that position, we get that index position also, we get a nice. Okay, these are the methods. Then how to retrieve the elements. Now I want to retrieve the elements, guys. Retrieving elements, for example, using iterator and using enumerations. Using iterator, right? Call that method. How to call? Iterator I equals to v dot iterator. That method is what? V dot iterator. That is a method only, right? Call those method while of, right? I dot as next. Okay, see this. We call the methods like this. I want to display those methods. System dot out dot println. I want to call those methods. System dot out dot println. We can call those methods, right? I dot next method. Yeah, we can display those elements. Vector demo. Yeah, parenthesis missing here. System dot out dot println. So that method is what? Println. We are displaying those method. Yeah, one check it. Java vector demo. Like this, it retrieve the elements. First element, second element. And enumeration interface also is the guess. Retrieving elements using enumeration object. Okay, we can delete also. V dot, if I write I dot remove, that element will be removed. This is what? Enumeration. We have enumeration object. What is enumeration object, right? I want to check the enumeration. One check it. Java dot take vector class. If I take vector class, right, we have enumeration object. This is an enumeration object, guys. If you call elements method, enumeration object will be created. How to call that enumeration object? How to call? Java dot, what is enumerator object or interface? We have some methods. Yeah, see what are the methods are here. As more elements, here next elements. Okay, we can call this as more elements and the next element. Okay, how to create, right? Now create an enumeration object. Enumeration equals to, or we can write equals to, right? How to call that method? V dot elements method. We have elements method. If I call elements, enumeration method will be called. So what are the method? What has two method, right? E dot as more elements. As next there, here as more elements. That method name is what? As more elements. We call that method. As more elements, print the elements. How to print the elements? System dot out dot println, right? We call those methods. Okay. What is the method name? Next element. As more elements, boolean value it returns. Whether element is there, true. If element is not there, it false, it returns. That element, next element. Call that next element. Right? E dot next element. We can call the next element. See this. Okay, iterator also we can use. This is using iterator. This is using enumeration. I give one message using enumeration. System not receiving using enumeration interface. Okay. Once compile this vector demo. Yes, Java vector demo. Using enumeration, it displays the elements. Finally, delete all elements. Finally, if I delete v dot clear. Now I clear the elements. After clearing the elements, now what is the capacity, new capacity or capacity? We check the finally. Okay, if I check it a capacity, what is size? I deleted all elements. What is size? What are the elements after deleting everything? Okay, one check it. Vector demo, right? After deleting, capacity is same only, elements is deleted, no elements. Now it is there is no elements. Clear? How to retrieve the elements using enumeration or iterator or list iterator also is there. Using list iterator also we can display the elements. Wonderful. We have three constructors. Okay, using those three constructors create. Okay, see, this is a, there is no size constructor, no argument constructor, one argument constructor, and with some size, right? Here 3 is how much size you want to increase, that is 3. Here a bar in big object will be created. Big object will be created after 15th element. If I insert 16th element, clear? That's all. These are list classes.